Hello friends, today I am going to solve CUET PG General Part 2020 exam paper, and General Part contains 25 questions consisting of language comprehensive verbal ability almost 10 questions, general awareness 5 questions, mathematical or quantitative ability and analytical skills which is almost 10 questions. So total 25 questions, each question has 4 marks and each wrong answer there is negative marking of 1. Take the pattern and prepare accordingly. It is very helpful to gain your good rank or getting better marks. Okay, let's start guys. Question 1. Select the most suitable synonym of the word deter. So deter means discourage someone from doing something by creating doubt or fear of the consequences. परिणाम की चिंता दिखाकर उसको रोक देना, discourage करना. And it is asking for synonym for deter here. तो option C is correct. Discourage, हतोत्साहित करना. Cause someone to lose confidence or enthusiasm. And other words are distract means विचलित, prevent someone from giving full attention to something, suppress, forcibly put to an end to, or trimp over, crush, compress. Contaminate, contaminate means दूषित करना, make something impure. Question 2. Choose the pair which exhibit the same relationship as cube and dice. Relationship between cube and dice is of the shape of cube, so this is showing the shape. Similarly, in the case of sun, sphere is the shape of sun. Sphere and sun. So option B is correct here. Question 3. Select the correct word for following sentences. Most Chinese assume European first names to be their surnames. Assume means मान लेना. Suppose to be the case. Chinese लोग मान लेते हैं कि जो यूरोपियन हैं their first name is their surname, family name or their title. Determine means ठानना. Cause to occur in a particular way, control, decide. Attempt, make an effort to achieve or complete. Feel, अनुभव करना. Be aware of, through touching or being touched. Perceive or sense. So why the Chinese person assume the European first names to be their surname? So there is a reason. Traditionally, family names or surnames come first in Japanese, China and Korea. Chinese surname usually come first, followed by the given names. Example, Chan, Tai, Man. Chan is the surname. First name is their surname or family name and remaining is their name. Okay, that's why most Chinese assume European first names to be their surnames. Question 4. Life is related to death in the same way hope is related to. So life, जीवन, death, मृत्यु. So life, opposite to that is death. So hope means asa, a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. And opposite to this is despair, nirasa, the complete loss or absence of hope. And other words are sad. Sad means feeling or showing sorrow. Pain, dard, physical suffering or discomfort. Cry means rona, shed tears. So it is asking for opposite of hope, asa, and it is despair, nirasa. Question 5. Identify the word which is opposite in meaning to temporal. Temporal means लौकिक, earth bounded, अस्थायी, relating to worldly or secular or non-spiritual, earthly, earth bounded. Things which is related to or bound to earth is called as temporal, and opposite to this celestial, swargiya, divya, heavenly, or something relating to the sky, positioned in or relating to the sky. And other words are devious, chalak, deceitful, dishonest, immaculate, nirmal, perfectly clean, neat, spotless, didactic, शिक्षाप्रद, उपदेशक, intended to teach, particularly in having moral instructions, enlightening. Next question, question 6. Choose the most appropriate set of prepositions for the blanks given in sentence below. At first, I found the work very tiring, but in a few weeks I got used to it. So option B is correct here. At, in, to. Question 7. Select correct meaning of foreign expression prima facie. So prima facie is a Latin expression, and in every exam of general part, in CUET, they are asking one Latin word. In each set I have seen this almost. Prima facie is a Latin expression and its meaning is pratham drishtya, based on the first impression, accepted or correct until proved otherwise. Option A is correct on first consideration. Question 8. Identify the meaning of underlined word. The cosmetic preparations that are used for beautifying oneself have deleterious effects. So what is meaning by deleterious? Its meaning is hanikarak, harmful and injurious or hurtful. So option A is correct. Harmful is the correct meaning. Causing or likely to cause harm. And other words are beneficial, advantageous or favorable, lasting, sthayi, enduring or durable, and tremendous, adbhut, very great in amount. Question 9. Identify the word which carries the meaning of following sentences. Voluntary relinquishing of something valued. किसी मूल्यवान वस्तु का स्वैच्छिक त्याग. Relinquish means त्यागना. Renounce, give up, part with, give away or hand over. Meaning of following sentence. Then meaning is sacrifice, त्याग. Disclaimer, renunciations, balidan. Okay. Sometimes it's also used for ritual slaughter, but take it for त्याग here. So option C is correct here. And other words are nihilism, vinaswad or nastikvad, cynicism, pessimism, the rejection of all religions, religious and moral principles, sabotage, todphod, deliberately destroy, damage or obstruct something, scrimmage, dhakka mukki, a confused struggle or fight. Question 10. Identify the word which carries the meaning of underlined idiom. The cricket fans were in the dark till the disclosure to the CBI report. So options given here. Innocent means masoom or guiltless, simple, pitiable. Ignorant means anjan or lacking knowledge or awareness. So here it is asking for in the dark. So in the dark means option B, ignorant, is correct. In a stage of ignorance or uniform, in the dark is used. This metaphor often appears in the phrase keep something in the dark, meaning to deliberately keep someone uninformed. The option B is correct here. Question 11. Mathematics part starts here. The greatest possible length which can be used to measure 7 meter, 3 meter 85 centimeter and 12 meter 95 centimeter each. First convert all the lengths in centimeter. So 700 centimeter, 385 centimeter, 1295 centimeter. It is asking for greatest. So whenever it is asking for greatest, that means you have to take HCF. Whenever it is asking for least, then you have to take LCM. It is asking for greatest possible length. So just you have to take the HCF, highest common factor. First factorize them. 700 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. 385 equal to 5 into 7 into 11. 1295 equal to 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 37. You have to take the highest common factor. So highest common factor is 5 into 7 in all expressions. That is HCF. It is the greatest possible length which can use to measure these lengths. Option D is correct here. Question 12. The total surface area of a cube is 96 centimeter square. What is its volume? So this is a cube. All sides are equal, A, height, length, width, and total surface area of a cube is 6A square. So 6A square given here 96 centimeter square. That means A square is 96 divided by 6. It is 16. Then take the square root of 16. A equal to 4 centimeter here. Now volume. Volume of cube is multiplication of height, length and width. A cube equal to 4 cube equal to 64 centimeter cube. Option C is correct here. Question 13. The population of a town 2 years ago was 62,500. Due to migration to big cities, it decreases 4% per year. The present population of the town is. So every year it is decreased by 4%. So first year decreased by 4%, 4% of 62,500. So 62,500 minus 4% of that, it is 60,000 here. And next year or second year, it again decreased by 4%. Then remaining population is 57,600. Option B is correct here. Question 14. Depreciation applicable to an equipment is 20%. The value of this after 3 years from now will be less by. So depreciation, a reduction in the value of an asset with a passage of time. वो पुराना हो गया तो उसकी वैल्यू घट गई. Devaluation, that is meaning of depreciations, and it is 20% each year. So just use the formula, let present value equal to x after 3 years value of equipment. Like compound interest, there is a plus sign, here it is a minus sign, since here it is a devaluation. So P1 minus R divided by 100 raised to power n. N is number of time periods. Here it is 3. So x 1 minus 20 by 100, x is the present value, and raised to power 3 equal to 64x divided by 125. It is asking for the value of this after 3 years from now will be less by which percentage. Converted percentage, reduction in price. So current price is x. After 3 years it would be 64x divided by 125, x minus this value divided by x into 100 to convert into percentage. X is going to be cancelled out. 1 minus 64 divided by 125. So 125 minus 64 divided by 125 multiplied by 100% equal to 48.8%. Option B is correct here. Question 15. A sum of money is to be distributed among A, B, C and D in the proportion of 5:2:4:3. If C gets ₹1000 more than D, what will be the share of B? It is in the ratio, so just multiplied by x in this ratio and assume that is the share of A, B, C and D. This is the share. A has 5x, B has 2x, C has 4x and D has 3x. And it is in the ratio, this given ratio. Okay, there is no problem. Now it is saying that C gets ₹1000 more than D. So C minus D equal to 1000. So 4x minus 3x is equal to 1000. X value equal to 1000. Then the share of B equal to 2x. 2x equal to 2 multiplied by 1000 equal to 2000. Option C is correct here. Question 16. Ashok and Binod can do a piece of work in 20 days. Binod and Chinku can do it in 15 days. And Chinku and Ashok can do it in 12 days. In how many days can Binod alone do it? Okay, let's work is 1. काम को क्या मान लिया? 1 मान लिया. In that condition, work done in a 1 day. एक दिन में किया गया काम by Ashok and Binod. It is 1 by 20 because for complete work they are taking 20 days. So in 1 day they will do fraction of that work and that fraction is equal to 1 by 20. Okay, so 1 by 20 is done by Ashok plus Vinod in 1 day. Similarly, Vinod plus Chinku work done in 1 day equal to 1 by 15. And Chinku plus Ashok, they will do work in 1 day equal to 1 by 12. Okay, now solve it. Equation 3 minus equation 2 minus 1. 3 minus 2 minus 1. Then Ashok is going to be cancelled out, Chinku is cancelled out. Minus 2 times Vinod equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20 equal to minus 2 by 60. That implies Vinod equal to 1 by 60. Minus cancel out, 2 cancel out. So work done by Vinod in 1 day. How much? 1 by 60th of the work. तो टोटल वर्क को कंप्लीट करने में विनोद डज कंप्लीट वर्क इन 16 डेज. जस्ट रिवर्स इट. ओके, इसको उल्टा कर देना है. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट हियर. क्वेश्चन 17. एट व्हाट रेट ऑफ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट पर एनम will a sum of ₹1200 becomes ₹1348.32 in 2 years? Use formula compound amount equal to principal amount 1 plus r by 100 raised to power number of time or time period, and t is equal to 2 years, t equal to 2, r we have to find out, and this is given here 1348.32 and principal amount is 1200. Solve this expression. 1 plus r by 100 raised to power 2 equal to 1.1236 and take the square root. So 1 plus r by 100 equal to 1.06 or r by 100 equal to 0.06. That implies r equal to 6%. So option A is correct. Okay. but it may take some time in exam. So you can do back steps, option elimination method. For that, just calculate simple interest for 1 year and double it. Compound interest is always greater than the simple interest. You have to know this fact. Okay, total interest in this case for 2 years 1348.32 minus 1200 equal to 148.32. So this is the total interest, compound interest in 2 years for principal amount. This calculate simple interest for 1 year, just double it. If it is more than this value, then that option is not going to correct, because simple interest is always less than that. If I am taking 7%, then what is the value? P 1200 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1 divided by 100, 84, and double of this is 160 plus. So it is not going to be correct. So option C and option D is wrong here. And for option B, again it is 78 for 1 year, double it, so it is going to be more than 150. So this option is also not correct. And in the case of 6%, it is just 72, double of it is 144. So it is feasible. So by that way you can say that option A is correct, 6%. Question 18. There is 60% increase in an amount in 6 years at simple interest. What will be the compound interest of rupees 12,000 after 3 years at the same rate? So 60% increase in principal amount, so that means P into 60 divided by 100, that is the simple interest. Okay, it is for 6 years. So simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. So 60P by 100 equal to P into R into 6 divided by 100. P is cancelled out here, and R is equal to 10%. Taking this rate, we have to calculate compound interest for 3 years of principal amount 12,000. So calculate it. Compound amount 12,000 multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 means 10 by 100 raised to power 3 for 3 years, and it is going to be 15,972. So this is total amount for interest, just total amount minus principal amount 12,000, and it is 3,972. Option D is correct. Question 19. If all the numbers in 3, 2, 7, 4, 1, 6, 5, 8 are arranged in ascending order from left to right, the positions of how many numbers will remain unchanged? This is the given number and this is the ascending order, मतलब बढ़ते हुए क्रम में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 numbers मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4. They have the same position. Positions of how many numbers will remain unchanged? So 4. Option D is correct here. Question 20. Complete the series. So you should know assigning numbers for alphabets A to Z. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And just solve it. So it is from AC, ACE. So third alphabet they are putting at first position. ACE, CEG, CEG, then EGI like that. Okay, GI and K should be go first position. By numbering you can also calculate it. So assigning numbers is 1, 3. So 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9. Okay. So 7, 9 is G and I. So G, I and K is going to be first position. KGI, option B is correct here. Question 21. The Gyanpith Award is related to which of the following fields? So Gyanpith Award is the oldest and highest Indian literary award presented annually by the Bharatiya Gyanpith to an author of his outstanding contribution to literature. Option A is correct. This is the Gyanpith Award, and in 2021 it is given to Damodar Mauzo. Question 22. Which of the following states has the largest forest cover in the country? In India, in 2021, the total forest and tree cover in India is 80.9 million hectares, which is equal to 24.62% of the geographical area of the country. 24.62% of the total geographical area of India is covered by the forest and trees. area wise, Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in country, followed by Arunachal Pradesh, second number. First number is Madhya Pradesh, second number Arunachal Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, third is Chhattisgarh, fourth is Odisha, fifth is Maharashtra. In terms of forest cover as percentage of total geographical area, the top 5 states are Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur and Nagaland. Forest cover as percentage is higher for this region. Mizoram has the first position. Question 23. Which of the following is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha? The Lord Buddha was born in 623 before Common Era in sacred area of Lumbini located in the Terai plains of southern Nepal. Lumbini option B is the correct option. This is the birthplace Lumbini, and in 2022 our Prime Minister Modi visited the Maya Devi temple there. Maya Devi was mother of Lord Buddha. Question 24. The theme of National Science Day 2020 is? For 22 it was Women in Science, and theme of National Science Day 2022 is Integrated Approach in Science and Technology for Sustainable Future. Guys, please like, comment, share and subscribe. That will motivate me to do more work. Question 25. The watershed between India and Myanmar is formed by the Garo Hills, Naga Hills, Jaintia Hills, Khasi Hills. Northeastern states of India, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and this is Myanmar. It is asking India and Myanmar, इसके बॉर्डर पे गारो हिल्स, खासी हिल्स, जयंतिया हिल्स located in the Meghalaya state, and Meghalaya state boundary is not touching to Myanmar. So option Khasi, Jaintia, Garo is already cancelled, and remaining one is Naga Hills. So Naga Hills is situated in Nagaland. This is the Naga Hills, and it is forming watershed between India and Myanmar. So option B is correct here. Okay guys, this was the last question, and also every morning I put 2 questions. One is for physics and one is for general part. You can know your level of preparations by solving these questions. It is based on the pattern of CUET only. Okay guys, good luck. Bye bye.